Welcome to the PowerSpeakingPro channel. This is where I give you tips to improve your speaking and communication skills. My name is George and glad to have you aboard. Would you go to the gym and lift 50-pound weights when your only exercise in the recent years has been jumping to conclusions, pushing your luck, and elbow bending at the bar? Maybe you would, but the next day you'd feel terrible. I make the same point about people learning how to speak. They may decide, I need to learn speaking all at once. So they practice and they practice and they put in a lot of work all at once. And after maybe 2 or 3 speeches, they'll decide it's too much work and they'll quit. This is exactly the wrong way to do it. Novice speakers should not work very hard. Speaking is a complex activity. First of all, you need a good speech with a good opening which captures the audience's attention. Then you need the middle and a great closing so the audience remembers your message. Then there's the issue of eye contact with the audience, vocal variety, hand gestures, and moving around the speaking area to emphasize the point of your speech. So if you're willing to take learning public speaking step by step, I suggest you go to a Toastmasters club. There your speech will be evaluated, and the evaluator will give you tips for improving your speech for the next time. You will get 1 or 2 tips to work on. For example, maybe increase your vocal variety, or try having better contact with the audience. That way you'll get 1 tip or 2 tips, and you can work on it for your next speech in another couple of weeks. But if you try too hard all at once, it's like going to the gym and lifting the 50-pound weights, and you'll soon feel awful, and you'll soon quit, and you won't achieve your goal of becoming a better speaker. Please leave any comments below and be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time.